Intsha esejele ikhuluma ngempilo yayo, enye yayo idonsa izigwebe ezinde ngamacala okubulala, ukuzama ukubulala nokubamba inkunzi ihlomile. Ngaphandle kokubandakanyeka kwabo ebugebengwini, manje sebekhuthaza ukuba baqedele izifundo zabo kahle ngethemba lokuphinde bahlanganiswe kanye nomphakathi.
I have to make a difference out there, be a good citizen and be a good person to other people.
What I'm willing to do is to partake in becoming a motivational speaker in schools, different types of schools.
Umnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uthi ukhathazeke kakhulu ngesibalo sentsha esemajele.
For each and every inmate that gets received, we register them, we develop what we call a sentence plan, so that for the time that they spend with us, they can participate in rehabilitation programs, in corrections programs. We also ensure that we start the restorative justice process, where we ensure that they interact with the victims. They also interact with their families in preparation for them to join the parole system.
Ngaphandle kwezinhlelo ezinkulu zokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo, kunongabazo okukhona mayelana nezinga lempumelelo ekuhlanganiseni abenzi bobubi nomphakathi.
I can't say it does work, it does not work. It does not work, I'm not being fair. It does work, I'm not being fair.
I believe that they are doing the right thing in correcting them, hence the word correctional service, which means that they are helping them to come out of all the old habits.
Ngokwezinhlangano ezisebenzisana nabenzi bobubi, kuningi ukwabelana ngolwazi okusamele kwenziwe ukuze umphakathi wamukele izephulamthetho emphakathini.
We need to be very honest. Restorative justice is a process. Number one, the community, due to repeated offenses that are happening by those that were from correctional facilities, it also discourages the readiness of our victims and our families to accept our offenders back to their communities and their families.
Umnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uthi usazibophezele ekuqinisekiseni ukuthi uma lentsha isidedele emajele ayiphindele empilweni yobugebengu.